Yeah, students, we will continue with the partners capital account. So partners capital account, we have done it so many times. First, draw the lines like this. 3 partners name, rupees and bariri dayaviಟ್ಟು. First step is always by balance brought down. It is same for all the problem. Which is the amount balance? Yes, idu 80, 40, 40. ಈ amount ಅನ್ನು copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿ. So I am writing, see, that is 80,000, 40,000 and again 40,000. Isn't it? Yes. Second step is by revaluation account. ಈ amount in ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Here it is in the debit side, so I am writing in the credit side will come cross. By revaluation account amount ಇದೆ copy ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Exactly copy this and write 4,000, then there is 2,000, then there is again 2,000. Isn't it? Yes. Next step for students, yes, check in the balance sheet. Is there any general reserve? Yes, general reserve 20,000 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So idu ratio alli kodi. By general reserve. What is the ratio? Just now we have calculated idu. Ee share alli kodi. So general reserve eshtiದೆ? 20,000 is there. You have to give it in the ratio 2:1:1. I hope you know to give this. Simple. 20,000 into ಅಮಿತಿಗೆ ಏನು? That is 2/4 ಮಾಡಿ. If you multiply, you will get, yes, 10,000 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, here 10,000 you will get. Now Bhimage how to do? This 20,000, see here, 20,000 into 1/4 ಮಾಡಿ. Use your calculator. When you do, you will get 5,000. Sorry, you will get 5,000. Yes. Next for Chandru, same, 1/4 into 20,000 euro. You will get 5,000. You have to write it here. Yes, okay. Now the most important part, student, partners, that is goodwill. Goodwill ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? Goodwill of the firm is valued at 72,000 and the retiring partner's share adjusted through the partner to the capital accounts of remaining partners. Yes, okay. Always goodwill value, goodwill of the firm is valued ಇಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ normal last time I had thought that is ಈ journal entry ಅನ್ನು remember ಮಾಡಿ always. Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital. Please write this. Exam only there is no need to write, just nimge understanding here. Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. So to retiring partner, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು retire ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ? Who is retiring here? See here, Bhima decided to retire. Bhima retires. So how we are going to write here? Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partner. To retiring at this side we are writing. So to who retires? Bhima. To Bhima's capital anta bariri debit side alli. Then credit side alli continuing partners capital. Who is continuing? Iga Bhima hoytandre yaar ibru ultide? Yes, by Amit's capital, by Chandru's capital. Yes, amount I will tell how to write. So continuing partner's name will come in the credit side. By Amit's capital, by Chandru's capital. Continuing partner. Retiring partner to Bhima's capital. So continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partner. This is very very important. It contains 3 marks. Amount ಹೇಗೆ fill up ಮಾಡೋದು? I will show you. See here, note ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Profit sharing ratio, PSR ಅಂದ್ರೆ profit sharing ratio of Amit, Bhima and Chandru. Just now we have done it. Again we will do it. Okay, that was their share was how much? What was their capital? 80,000, 40,000 and again 40,000. Capital ittalla avrdu. So when you do, your ratio is came 2:1:1. What we have done only, just do it here. That is PSR andre profit sharing ratio. Iga Bhima share of goodwill. Goodwill ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ? What is the value of the goodwill? Goodwill is 72,000, isn't it? So what I am doing here, goodwill ಗೆ Bhima share of goodwill 72,000 into what is Bhima's share? Idu Bhima. This was Amit, Bhima and Chandru. Bhima 1/4. So 72,000 into 1 by 4 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will get, yes, rupees 18,000. Isn't it? Goodwill of the firm was how much? If you want, just write goodwill of firm was 72,000. Firm with the goodwill was 72,000. Bhima's share of goodwill, what, how to do? 72,000 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 age Bhima's share 18,000 aitu. Isn't it? Sorry. Now, amount borne by Amit. See, new ratio of Amit and Chandru. New ratio question alli kottidare, directly kottidare. That is, yeah, new ratio is been given here. Isn't it? That is 2:1. Okay, in the ratio it has been given as 2:1. Okay, here it is not given here 2:1. So in that case, we can easily calculate it also. Okay, when the ratio is not given, so you do not get confused. See here now, Bhima retires andre ratio ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 2:1 ಅಲ್ಲ. I will just show it to you once again. ಈಗ see here, Amit, Bhima, Chandru. Ratio what you have calculated? 2:1:1. Bhima retires. What is the ratio remaining? Idoitu. So 2:1. Isn't it? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ new ratio in anta kodlilla. So you'll write new ratio of Amit and Chandru will be ತೆಗೆದಿದಾಗ 2:1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Fine. Now amount borne by Amit. How? Easy. ಈ amount ಏನಿದೆ 18,000 into ಈ ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. 2:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 2 divided by 3. How 3? 2 plus 1, 3. When you do, you will get rupees 12,000. Isn't it? Now amount borne by Chandru. Again 18,000 into 1. 1 divided by 3. You will get, yes, use your calculator, rupees 6,000. Okay? I will just explain this. I will write this, then I will tell you all once again. So how will you write the amount? That is Amit's capital. You will write it in Bhima. Amount ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದು 12,000. 12,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? What you have calculated just now. ಇದು and ಇದು amount ಮಾತ್ರ. Chandru's capital to Bhimaಗೆ, that is 6,000. Same amount ಇಲ್ಲಿ fill ಮಾಡಿ. To Bhima's capital, Amitಗೆ 12,000. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ Chandruಗೆ 6,000. I will explain this once again, student. Goodwill treatment, ಈ journal entry ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ. Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. ಈಗ ಟು ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾರು? ಭೀಮಾ. ಸೊ ಟು ಭೀಮಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಅಮಿತ್, ಟು ಚಂದ್ರ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಡ್, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್, ಇದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೈ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್, ರಿಟೈರಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್? ಸಿ, ಈಗ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಂದ 2:1:1 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. I have told you how it is. Now goodwill of the firm ಇದು goodwill is how much given in the question? 72,000. Yes, ಈ 72,000 ಈಗ Bhima share of goodwill you do. 72,000 into Bhima share is how much? 1/4. 1/4 how you got this thing? Okay, 1 divided by 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1 4. 18,000. ಈಗ amount borne by Amit. Yes, this 18,000 you have to give it in the new ratio. New ratio is not given in the question, but you have to understand. Bhima retires andre 2:1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2 ಮತ್ತು 1. 2:1. So 2/3, 1/3. Last week also similar problem I have solved. So it should not be little new for you. It's very, very important for exam students. Okay, so goodwill treatment is done. Now there is one thing they are telling in last sentence, you see. Capital of the new firm is fixed at 1,20,000 and it should be adjusted equally among the continuing partners. An adjustment to be made in cash. So 1,20,000, it should be adjusted equally, they are telling. Okay, among the continuing partners, and adjustments to be made in cash. So equally andre 1,20,000 equally you have to give here. When you give, you will understand. I will tell you. For that, one entry to bank you have to do. Yes. Okay, I will just tell you all. Okay, here. Total capital of the new firm. How much they are telling firm? That is 1,20,000. Okay. Equally you have to give. Equally andre you have to give equally. 1:1. Equally you have to give it. Yes. See here, when they are telling capital of the new firm is 1,20,000 and it has to be adjusted equally among the continuing partners and adjustment to be made in cash. Here equally when they tell, we have to assume that it is in the new ratio. Okay, we have to give it in the new ratio. So total capital of the firm is 1,20,000. New ratio will be, that is 2:1. How that 2:1 came? Yes, just now I show you all. When Bhima he retires, 2:1 it is. Okay. So 1,20,000 into 2/3. 2/3 hege 2 plus 1. Chandruge 1,20,000 into 1/3. Here 80,000 siktade. Here 40,000. Yes. Iga ee amount ige you have to write it in two balance carried down. 80,000 and 40,000. Yes, because they have told here like this. The capital of the firm is fixed 1,20,000 and it has to be adjusted equally among the continuing partners. Adjustment are to be made in cash. Yes, cash when they are telling, we have to do it like this. Two balance carried down. Now we will balance it. Iga add madi. Amit's will do total first. It is more this side. 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 10,000 will give you, yes, 94,000. Here also 94,000 I am writing. So 94,000 minus 80,000 minus 12,000 will give you, yes, 2,000 ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ two bank ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Yes, next Bhimas will do add. Bhimas ಇದೆಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get, yes, 65,000. Here also 65,000. 65,000 minus nothing here. So directly idu Bhima's loan account ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Whenever a person is retiring, his account has to be transferred to his loan account. Okay. Next, Chandru. Chandru ಇದೆಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 47,000. So here also I am writing 47,000. 47,000 minus 40,000 minus 6,000 is how much? 1,000. It will go to this bank account. Fine? Yes. Please understand this treatment, students. It is easy. The ratio calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Here directly ratio ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so 2:1 as per their capital. Goodwill, the retiring partner's share you create 18,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಈ 18,000 you have to give it in the new ratio. Yes, ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಿ. They have told here equally, but we will give it in the new ratio only. It should be adjusted equally among the continuing partners. The new ratio we will give. If you give it equally also, answer is correct. You will get it. Okay, it should not be wrong. Yes,